Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm showing you how I painted this simple yet artsy nail art design inspired by Vante for Tay's 27th birthday. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm going to apply red polish to my index and middle fingernails and a light beige nude for the rest. Since the first half of this design is inspired by V's most recent artwork on his Instagram, I'm going to be writing the title of the piece, which is "You Make Me Want to Be a Better Man." And this is just written pretty messily at the bottom of the painting, and so I kind of emulated the same handwriting here. I didn't really care too much to make it super neat, but I did try to make it as close to his handwriting as possible. I did stumble across this post that marked the similarities with this painting and one of Basquiat's, so it's really nice to see where Tay got his inspiration from, and I just like seeing different interpretations and V learning and creating his own style. I also know that these letters are written with white and then black on top, but I skipped the white because I didn't want the snail to be too busy. I almost wanted the letters to bleed or blend into the background. I just thought it would fit better with all the other elements of this set. And I just wanted to add that I really enjoy painting this whole set because I didn't feel like I had to copy anything to the T. I definitely had more creative freedom, and I think Tay really embraces that in his art as well. So it was just kind of a win-win, and I had so much fun. And on the middle fingernail, I'm just using black polish and marking out a kind of messy, rounded rectangle shape, and then I'm using white polish to draw the facial features of the painting, of course. And yeah, so I'm using white even for the colored areas because I want those colors to pop off of the dark black base. And I just wanted to add that I feel like V adds a very unique artsy vibe or character to BTS as a whole, and he's just so free-spirited and interesting as a person in the best way possible. And now I'm drawing one of his drawings or paintings from a couple years ago, and you just need black and red for this design. It's basically just a face. Very interesting. I feel like there's a lot of emotion despite not having a lot of shapes or details. And now I'm just adding some more details to the face. I forgot to show you guys how I drew the mouth, but it's just another horizontal line. And to fill in the space, I just waited until the black polish was a little tacky and draped it across the nail. And for the pinky fingernail, I'm just creating kind of a messy paintbrushed look. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm just using different colors and a pretty sparse brush to apply them kind of in an artsy fashion. And now I'm just writing by Vante with black polish in a handwritten style, so the lines are not super neat or straight, but that's totally fine, and that adds to that artsy quality of this whole design. For the E, I decided to make it backwards and look like the smiley face that Tay once drew, just because I wanted to draw in another one of his drawings, and because the lettering wasn't centered, I'm just creating a colorful line underneath. And now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat to seal in your designs, and top coat might be optional if you're looking for that hand painted look, but top coat also prolongs the life of your manicure, so definitely do as you wish, but this is what I'm doing to finish up the design, and that's it. So that is my completed 27th birthday nail art design for V. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I felt like it was a slight departure from my usual designs, and I also hope that V has a beautiful birthday with his favorite people. I hope he has a great end of the year and a beautiful start to the next. Bye everyone!